know the name Jaffa as a kind of an orange. They don't know about a city like this in the world. Why so?
Hi,
Because
welcome to
the second half of the
studio
19th
vlog number
century
3.
till
Thank you so much
1970s,
if you watched
Jaffa
studio
was
vlog
one
2.
of the
It has
most
like
important exporters
240
of
views,
oranges to the whole
which is
world.
like amazing. If you're here from that, thank you so much. If you were here before that video, also thank you. Today we're gonna be opening my shop, and that's kind of crazy. I mean, at this point it's already open, but the response has been great. But yeah, so first I'm gonna show you some of the work I've been doing. This is my ramen fine dining art print, and I've also made it into a sticker. You can see that process on my reels at Designed by Cruz. And next, here is my Boba Addict sticker. This one I made a really long time ago, actually. This was one of like the first new sticker designs I had made for my shop. And I really like this one. It made a lot of changes through the process of making it, as you can see. And it ended up really good. That one currently doesn't have any sales, so if you'd like to buy it, you can find it at etsy.com/shop/designedbycruz. And maybe there'll be a hidden code somewhere in the video or the description. Who knows? So next up, I'm going to show you the process of how I make my art prints. So first I take the artwork that I've made on my iPad in Procreate and I airdrop it to my laptop. And to make my art prints, all I have to do is I open up Pages, which is like Word docs but for Apple. Did you like that transition there? I think it was pretty good. And next I just literally drag and drop my artwork onto the document page, and I made them 4 inches by 4 inches, I believe, because that allowed me to fit 4 of them onto the page, and I just lined them up evenly to make sure that if when I used a straight edge it would just cut it perfectly, and that was it. So I print my art prints on a white cardstock paper, and on my printer there's different settings where you can choose what kind of paper you're using to print it on. I personally use the premium matte setting. That's what I use for all of them. And when I go into the settings, I make sure I use high quality because I want it to look as good as it can. And then for my color options, I set the brightness up to 4 because my printer prints everything a little bit dark. And so when I use about 3 or 4, on this one I'm using 8, I wasn't really happy with it, but I've now learned that 3 or 4 is about the best setting I can use to get the most accurate print to what I drew on Procreate. Hi, so I decided to open my shop on kind of a whim, and I just got my first sale, so now we're gonna go package it. So I'm working on some custom stickers right now. Someone asked me if they could have a sticker ordered that someone else had illustrated, and then they asked if it could be put into a sticker, and I of course said yes. And I just wanted to show you the packaging I had. So first I took some of this chipboard, and on clear stickers I printed out my name, Designed by Cruz, and I make it as like a little sticker backing. And there's the back of your stickers, and then I just put it right here. And now I'll fold this tissue paper up as like a little bag, because it's better than using plastic because it's eco-friendly. So here you can see a package, and there's the design they had made. I didn't make this one, I just want to make this clear. She got it from someone else, but she wanted them made into stickers. And then I put a little thank you sticker at the top, and then underneath are the stickers and the packing, and I just folded it up really cute. So these are the bubble mailers I bought. I know they're not eco-friendly, but right now I just can't really afford it, so I got these ones off Amazon, and it's kind of the color scheme I themed everything towards. There's my little thank you card. It has a little like cartoon picture of me, and it has my socials. And then these are the little stickers I seal them with, which are my logo. So next I'm going to print out her shipping label and her packing list. First, I take their shipping label and I slide it in here. Or not their shipping label, it's the paper that has what they ordered. I forgot what it's called already. And then I take the stickers and I put them in here. Take a thank you card, put it in here. And then I'll seal this and then seal it with a sticker. And then I'll put the shipping label on here and it's all ready to go.